Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal. I am dealing with thermodynamics and lecture number 7. In this lecture, I will explain what is process. Well, two important words are very important for chemistry, and one is reaction. Another is process. So what is reaction? Reactions mean change in state. Then what is process? Well, if you see immediate answer, it is also change in state. Then what is the difference between reaction and process? As such, it looks same, but they are not same. There is slight difference in these two. Reaction means change in state of a system. Here we are interested only in a system. What kind of change occur in a system? That is called reaction. While process is a different thing. Change in state of a system and surrounding. That means now we are interested in system as well as surrounding. That is called process. So this way reaction and process are different. For example, when you are studying and if you are interested in your result only, that means you want to see the change in yourself. That is called reaction, change in a state of a system. But when at the time of result, you are interested more in results of everybody, not of yours only. Okay, then it becomes process. So process is like, we want to see the overall change in the whole universe. That is called process. Okay, so here the process is different thing, reaction is different thing with reference to thermodynamics. Okay, so let us start processes. Now there are different kind of processes. So first of all we will take isothermal process. Now this name itself indicate that this process is related to temperature or energy. Okay, so isothermal process, let us first of all take definition. Isothermal process is defined as one in which the temperature of the system remains constant during each change in the state of a system. So overall change in temperature should be zero. That means the temperature should remain constant. Okay. Now with reference to chemical change, there are two types of reactions. First of all, we will take endothermic reaction. Or rather endothermic process. So that we would like to see what is the change on a surrounding also. So here we will take one box. And in this box, a gas is filled, or maybe gases are filled. And suppose these gases react with each other and form something else. So there may be endothermic reaction. That means energy is absorbed. If energy is absorbed during the reaction, then definitely temperature will be changed. But we want to keep temperature constant. And if we want to keep temperature constant, even if there is a chemical change and there will be change in energy, that means we have to maintain the amount of energy in this reaction. So what should we do? We should give energy to this system from outside. Okay? So when energy is given, that means we are giving heat to the system from outside, from any side. Okay? So this is called endothermic process. Why? Because here exchange of energy is possible between system and surrounding occur. So in a way it is called closed system. Why energy is going inside? Because in this case a reaction occur which is endothermic, that will utilize energy of the system. Therefore energy of the system decreases. In that case temperature will decrease. But if we want to maintain temperature, this is to maintain temperature. It is very important that this is to maintain temperature of the system, of a system. So the extra energy which is going inside will compensate the energy which was utilized by this reaction, so that energy become constant, and therefore temperature of the system also become constant. So this is the case in endothermic process, that to maintain constant temperature, we have to provide energy from outside, from surrounding, so that energy is given from surrounding to the system, so that at the end energy remain constant and temperature also remain constant. So at the end energy is constant, therefore temperature is also constant. So this way, to maintain temperature in isothermal process, it is necessary to provide energy in endothermic process. Okay. Now second example would be of exothermic process. Here definitely temperature should remain constant because it is isothermal process, but reaction is exothermic. Okay, so let us take one box in which gases are filled, and this will release energy, so it is exothermic. Okay, now if exothermic reaction occur, then heat evolved due to exothermic. reaction. Heat is evolved in a system which may rise temperature, but we have to maintain temperature. And if we have to maintain temperature, then we have to remove energy which is released. So extra energy which was evolved, extra energy or heat which evolved during reaction should be removed. And that is why here energy will go out. So heat is going out from the system to the surrounding. Okay, so therefore heat is going out, that means energy is exchanged. Energy is going out from the system. And therefore we can say that temperature remain constant. So that temperature of a system remains constant. There is no change in the temperature, and therefore it is also an isothermal process. So overall we can say that in isothermal process, energy is exchanged to keep temperature constant. And overall we can say that PV is equal to constant. Okay, so this is about isothermal process. That's it in this lecture. Thank you.